Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here at the Locksmith Solution. It's 24 hours service. You can call or text at 669-298-5937. So this is a Locksmith Solution and they are available duplicate, house key, and door case, car case, and more. So welcome to Locksmith Solution and 24-hour service. You can call or text at 669-298-5937. O2 residential and commercial. So don't forget guys to call at 669-298-5937 to duplicate O2 residential and commercial. All case can be duplicated here at the Locksmith Solution. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click and subscribe.